All right, so we did fall under the label, so I'm going to go ahead and place an order, and I'm going to let that one ride for a little bit. So I'll set my sell stop right around there, and then I'm going to set my take profits at 100 ticks each, right? $1 up, $1 down, and we'll see which one wins. Okay, now remember, we still have rejection. Okay, we got the scalp, and now it's going to come back up. When it comes back up, it's going to reject in this area. If it doesn't, that means we're going up, and that's fine. But you have 2 wicks already that are rejecting, and this one is a long one. Check that out. Then the next one that's building up, it's got a rejection wick already, and it looks like it wants to come down. Okay, now if I really want to look at a trend here, okay, I can just take the last huge rejection and draw me a trend line and see if we're really going to go down. Okay, because so far we're coming here, rejecting, try to come up, reject it, another rejection there, and here's the measure move we used before this, and our order clicked in there. Okay, and so now we're just going to watch this rejection, and we're looking for 419.39, and I think we'll get it as soon as we get past this level here, which we already tested it here. And we know we have a lot of rejection up here. VIX is at 8%. That tells me NVIDIA has probably a 95% losing chance. Okay, so we'll just keep an eye on it as it goes down. And yeah, it's just been a tough day for NVIDIA. Now remember, guys, on this indicator, okay, you see this dark green, right? Because I lower the color for my screen. But this is the MACD going up. It already went up. MACD went down here. So if I get a MACD, a red one here, that's confirmation that this is going to continue in a downward trend. So I'm waiting for that MACD to pop up. And the reason you have that on this indicator is so that you don't have to continually open up screens and take up space. And you can see NVIDIA, right? We're green now. We're going to continue to let it right down. Okay, now if you guys wanted to protect your profits, you can wait till it goes down a bit and bring your stop loss in front of the actual sales order that we have here. But what can happen is that it can pop up around this area and you take 15 bucks, which is not bad. But the move, the measured move, tells me it's going to go back down. And there's a reason I have this at $1, because that's been my system. $1 up, $1 down. Now, some people say, well, what if it goes down more? Well, if it goes down more, that tells me you want more. And if you want more, then you should buy more, and just make sure that you're selling at a level that it's almost 100% guaranteed. Now, why would I want to wait more and more? And then it can reverse on me and take my profits. Okay, so I'd rather do a 50 cents move or $1 move and make my money. Okay, so this is live. Today is October 25th. It's about 1:22 p.m. and we're watching NVIDIA fall. Okay, we do have a downtrend. See, NVIDIA's falling. And if I go over to the 15-minute cloud, and we can see here that NVIDIA started to fall here. Let me move this price label over. See, right at 432, if your time frame is the 15-minute and you enjoy trading on that cloud, then you would have had a nice profit here. Because as long as the candle stays under the cloud, you're in good shape, guys. Okay, so we're going to continue to watch this go down. I'm going to go double check the RSI. Look at the RSI. On the 15-minute, has some support around 26.06, and it hit it twice, once here, once there. So potentially it's going to find support there again. So we'll wait. We'll go back on the 1 minute and we'll check that out. Let me straighten this out, help you guys out. Okay. And you have to be patient with this, guys. You can't panic when you see red. Okay. If you want to get out because it's red, that means you have the wrong risk management going on. So if I bet $10, I should be okay with losing 50 cents or $1. That means if I bet $100, I should be okay with losing $5 or $10. Okay. So don't go in with $1,000 and then when you see this turn red, 100, 200, 300 and say, oh my God. And then you stop. And if you watch my previous videos, this works if you stay continuous in those clouds. So go in light every time, especially if you want to build an account. Okay. Nothing wrong with trying out 25 shares at a time, even 10 shares, guys. I mean, there was a time where all I did was 10 shares just so that I can get practice and not lose a lot of money. And then, okay, I always recommend paper trading. And I've told everybody, paper trade it. Why? So you can practice. So you're not sitting there panicking. And you see here that rejection is still there for NVIDIA. Okay. But yeah, you need to practice, guys. If you're not practicing, then you're just hoping, and hope is not a strategy. So make sure you guys are watching my videos. Like I said, if you're subscribing, okay, you're gonna get hopefully the notification. If you hit the notification bell, you'll get the notifications for the videos as they come up. And you can see, okay, right in here, just depending where the RSI is at. Remember, we saw the RSI in the 15-minute was almost at the support level. And we have about $100 here and it's bouncing back and forth. And now we're seeing these wicks, okay? This is still lower lows. Look at that, lower lows, guys. Now, can it pop back up? Yeah. Is it gonna hit my stop loss? I don't think so. Look at these rejections. That means it has to reject or not reject right in this area, okay, until it gets to that level. So I'm gonna hold on, okay, and you can see the profits right in there, okay. Now, if I wasn't doing this video for you guys, I might just take profits. Hey, why not, right? $100, boom, I'm out, and then I'll wait for the next drop. Okay, like I said, this is for advanced traders only, guys, and you can see we're dropping again. Remember the measured move, okay? That gives you a little bit of guidance and confirmation. And here we go, boom, there we go, $250, guys, okay? Tell me why you are not buying these clouds, guys. $9.99 a month, $9.99, guys, okay? I hope this helps. See you in the next video. All right, just wanted to give you guys a quick follow-up on the measured move we were talking about, and this is for advanced traders with the clouds, guys. If you're an advanced trader and you use the clouds, you know what I'm talking about. If not, you need to sign up for my courses. But the measured move, we said, was here, okay, where it would find support, but then it lost support. And I'm going to show you something real quick. That was the original measured move we talked about in the previous video. Now I'm going to take this little stick and show you another drop. And this is how you can do this if you want, okay? So you have a drop to about right there. Then you consolidate. I'm going to take that, put it in the middle of the consolidation. And of course, we consolidate it again, okay? And then put it in the middle of the consolidation. So we got there. Now we're consolidating again, okay? Where do I expect this to go? Again, here you go, all right? Now, I'm going to write this up and make it look nice for you guys so you understand what I'm talking about, okay? So we're going to move. Well, I'll leave that one there, okay? Because we're expecting the next drop to go to, let me move this over. We're expecting it to come down here, okay? That's going to be our area. There we go. All right. So I'll draw this out the way it should look in your mind. Okay, this was the drop. And we're going to change these. We're going to make them nice and thick. And we're going to change the colors to represent what's going on. Okay, and you'll be able to see here that we had rejection there. And then a consolidation area. Okay, and we'll make this a pretty blue. All right. And then we're going to take that and we're just going to copy this, guys, and we're going to move it down. Okay. And then we're going to copy this one down and we're going to show you consolidation areas. Okay. Now, here we go. Copy it again. We move it down from about the mid area. Okay. And then we have another consolidation going on. There you go. And then here's our next measured move. Okay. So if you want to know if it's still in a downtrend or your stock is still in a downtrend, guys, learn how to do this. Okay. You see what's going on here. Okay. They're not going to let NVIDIA rest. This thing is just getting hammered today. Okay. So if you're playing on the 1 minute like I do, you'll learn to recognize these patterns, guys. If you're in my courses, you'll understand all this stuff. Okay. Here was the original rejection. So I'll stretch this out so you know once it gets past this line, then potentially it'll reverse. And here we go again. Okay. If you wanted to here, you can do a quick scalp. An experienced trader will know to come over and look at their RSI. Look at this RSI. It is burning, guys. Look at it. You can see the red off of it. It wants to bounce, guys. We got some CM Williams going on there. So this would be a risky trade if you decided to try to short it right now. So I am not going to do it. Why? Because I like to keep profits. Okay. This can become addicting, guys. If you look at this, right? But not all the time is it going to just continue and continue. You have some days, not all the days. Okay. See, this was the previous consolidation. Okay. Let me copy this and bring it up here. And this was a little bit bigger drop. Okay. Right about there. Okay. So this is how you can recognize if the stock is going to continue to fall. Okay. And now, if you look at the clouds, okay, I'm going to point this out because I'm telling you guys, this has been one of the best tools I've been able to create. It took me a long time. And I just want to share it with you guys so you can see. Okay. Let me move this over a little bit. Okay. And you can see when the clouds, and I'm just going to mark these off. When we reject at the cloud level, okay, that tells me we're going to keep going down. Okay. And look at this, these candles that don't get out of the cloud. If they're not getting out of the cloud, okay, expect a movement to continue down if the stock was headed down. See that? And then now we're down here, poor NVIDIA. But hey, that's the stock market, guys, right? These are pullbacks. It's healthy. So this is how people are not going to be able to afford NVIDIA if they wanted to buy it. Okay. And here you go. You know, we'll go back up and you can see a few more rejections right at the cloud. Okay. Now you got to learn how to be patient, right? And the way you learn to be patient, guys, is don't go in with a lot of money. Okay. Build up money, start small, but just stay consistent and keep doing this. Okay. I hope this video helps, guys. If something else happens with NVIDIA, I think it's going to bounce from here, 417. If it doesn't, it might go down a few more dollars, but I think at some point there's going to be sellers. Okay. I'll show you guys in another video a little piece of my courses on how to recognize when NVIDIA or stocks like NVIDIA are going to find support. Hope this helps. See you on the next video.